Weathering is defined as the process of breakdown of rocks at the Earth's surface due to the action of water, ice, acids, salts, plants, animals, and changing temperatures.
There are three types of weathering. These are physical weathering, chemical weathering, and biological weathering. Physical weathering, also known as mechanical weathering, is the process by which rocks are break down into smaller pieces by external forces. There are many types of physical weathering: abrasion, exfoliation, frost wedging, salt crystallization, thermal expansion. Meanwhile, chemical weathering is a process that causes erosion or disintegration of these particles by means of chemical reactions. There are only few types of chemical weathering: hydrolysis, oxidation, and carbonation.
Other types of chemical weathering include hydration and acidification.
Lastly, biological weathering is a type of weathering brought by various activities of living organisms. There are also types of biological weathering: biological weathering by plants, by animals, and by human beings.
Aside from the given clips earlier, here are more clips that shows evidence of weathering in this locality.
Moving on, given the clips filmed by our team in the locality with shows, here are the possible dangers that people may experience in this place because of weathering. Number 1. Falling of big rocks due to massive earthquake or erosion. Here in our locality, it is shown that the landform that is present are mountains. Due to weathering, an earthquake or an erosion may occur which can cause harm to the people living near the shown areas. Next, accidents or injuries because of spiky rocks. Some rocks in the video became spiky or sharp because of weathering. People who walked on it without being careful can even get wounds or worse injuries. Lastly, respiratory diseases and some illnesses due to water condition of the locality. As you can see in the video, a water farm is also present. If weathering occurs, that specific water may be polluted, which can cause different respiratory diseases and illnesses that can affect the health of the people living in that area.
Based on the dangers and hazards provided, here are the possible ways on how people in this locality can prevent or lessen the risk they might experience. Number 1. Be mindful of where you step when walking through these places. Number 2. Do regular cleaning drives in the streams and rivers. Number 3. People must have a go backpack in case of earthquakes and other natural calamities. Number 4. The local government of Antipolo should take action with this matter. They could be placing barriers or warning signs to ward people off from being too near these places, especially near the river with all those rocks.